How's your food, Lord John? Lord John.
Who's the leg?
Masungit. Dito tayo kay Rebecca. Masungit means like angry bird.
You're wearing red and everything.
Ano ba?
Galit na. Galit. Yeah, he's angry bird.
Google mo, what is masungit?
Ewan ko ba? Masungit like it's like angry. That's why angry bird. How about you, Rebecca? How's your food?
I'm gone.
I-google mo kasi.
Nayak na din sa angry bird.
Tawa sa sariling biro.
Diba? Magandang joke. Angry bird. Ikaw.
I'm the yellow one.
How about you, Daddy? How's your food?
Very good.
Is it good? And pagod na si Angry Bird.